Cannizzaro reaction is a oxidation and reduction reaction. So what compounds do undergo this reaction? Let us see. Aldehydes without alpha hydrogen do undergo this reaction. It requires strong base, that is concentrated NaOH or KOH, and it undergoes under heating reaction conditions. Heating is required. So what are the no alpha hydrogen containing aldehydes? So here I have given two aldehydes. What are they? This is benzaldehyde. There is no alpha hydrogen. This is acetaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. This is formaldehyde. This is formaldehyde. So this is crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Before going into crossed Cannizzaro reaction, let us see what is Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction with benzaldehyde gives oxidized product. What is the oxidation of benzaldehyde? Yes friends, it gives benzoic acid. Benzaldehyde upon oxidation gives benzoic acid plus reduction product. Another one is reduced product is benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol. So benzaldehyde gives benzoic acid, benzyl alcohol. And what about formaldehyde? This is two molecules in presence of sodium hydroxide gives this. So what is the formaldehyde? If I take only formaldehyde, so this is the formaldehyde. Two molecules of formaldehyde in presence of NaOH. So it is most of the times it will be in a salt form, right? So under heating reaction conditions gives HCOO Na, sodium salt of formic acid, plus this is methanol, or I can say formyl alcohol. Formic acid, sodium salt of formic acid, and formyl alcohol is nothing but methanol. The aldehyde in presence of sodium hydroxide under heating reaction conditions undergoes disproportionation reaction to give sodium salt of benzoic acid or acid and alcohol. This is acid alcohol. So the compounds usually undergo this reaction is 1. Aromatic aldehydes, 2. Formaldehyde, and third category is trimethyl acetaldehyde. Gives rise to, this is CS3, this is CS3, sodium salt of acid, plus it gives alcohol of this COH and HH, alcohol of this trimethyl acetaldehyde. This is another example. The compounds which undergo Cannizzaro reaction is aryl aldehydes, formaldehyde, trimethyl acetaldehyde, and heterocyclic aldehydes. For example, furfural undergo this reaction. What is the reagent? NaOH. We usually write concentrated, and concentrated NaOH under heating reaction conditions gives rise to this 2-furic acid, right? Sodium salt of furic acid plus this molecule or alcohol of furfuryl alcohol. Mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. Formaldehyde without no alpha hydrogen. This is not alpha hydrogen, friends. This upon oxidation, this is upon oxidation we expect acid. Upon reduction, methanol, common name is methanol, CH3OH is methanol. Formaldehyde in presence of oxidation conditions gives formic acid, and reduction methanol. So how it takes place? Let us see. So this is, I am taking one molecule of NaOH is nothing but OH minus Na plus. So what is the reaction? Nucleophile of this OH attacks OH nucleophile attacks from downside and this oxygen takes this orientation to give O minus ion. So this is how we can write. This is the intermediate, right friends? So O minus compound will get because of this attack of OH nucleophile gives rise to this O minus intermediate. This is intermediate. So under heating reaction conditions, this compound reacts with another formaldehyde. The formaldehyde which is present in the reaction mixture will react like this. So this O minus will back to give double bond O and this hydrogen will attack here. H minus hydride ion will attack here and this O enolate like this to give the compounds. So this I am writing first the same one C O, this is double bond and this is hydrogen is here, right friends, and the OH yes and H has gone to another molecule. This is CO minus, here minus, and here new hydrogen has come. This is hydrogen and this is hydrogen. Since it is acid and it is in NaOH, this is in base reaction mixture, so NaOH is there and this becomes salt and this easily gives H plus ions. This gives H plus ions and here this is proton exchange. We can say proton exchange will take place. Exchange of proton will take place to give what is the compound? First one O Na. So proton will go there and Na plus will come here, right? So H formic acid we are getting, right friends, formic acid, and here what is happening, this H plus will be taken by this, so we get OH and H and H. Dear friends, so this is all about mechanism, and here sodium salt of formic acid, this is methanol. So it is very simple friends. Mechanism is nothing but formaldehyde, one molecule of first molecule of formaldehyde, nucleophilic attack of hydroxide ion takes place to give oxyanion, right friends? This oxyanion to give acid and migration or proton exchange will take place to give formic acid and alcohol. So the same thing I will write in a short form. So formaldehyde in presence of concentrated NaOH upon heating reaction conditions gives rise to one molecule of acid, salt of acid, formic acid salt, and another molecule of, this is two molecules, let us take. So here hydrogen and hydrogen and hydrogen. This is how we get in a reaction of formaldehyde in presence of sodium hydroxide under heating reaction conditions, we get sodium salt of formic acid and methanol. So if I take, instead of this formaldehyde, here I am replacing with benzaldehyde. Here it is, I am taking benzene ring and the remaining thing is same. This is all same. What happens? Let us take concentrated NaOH and heating. What is the compound I expect? Yes friends, benzoic acid, sodium salt. Yes, benzoic acid, sodium salt. This is benzaldehyde. Upon reaction using say NaOH under heating reaction conditions gives sodium salt of benzoic acid plus what is next? Another one is reduced compound benzyl alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol. Right friends? Benzyl alcohol. So aldehyde without alpha hydrogen, there is no alpha hydrogen, there is no alpha hydrogen, this is not alpha hydrogen, this is not alpha hydrogen. Give sodium salt of acid and alcohol. Sodium salt of acid and alcohol. So this is all about aldehydes. Then crossed Cannizzaro reaction. What is crossed Cannizzaro reaction? till now what we have taken? Two same aldehydes we have taken. If I take the question what I have given, 1 mole of benzaldehyde, 1 mole of formaldehyde and 1 mole of benzaldehyde, and I have added concentrated NaOH and heating. What we can expect? Usually we can expect from here one acid plus alcohol, right? So you may expect like this. There is chance of getting acid and chance of getting alcohol CH2OH, and here also acid, formic acid and methanol. So how many compounds and how many products I am going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is not the real condition. So usually we can expect these 4 compounds, these 4 products, 2 from here, 2 from here, right friends? But what happens is, since the first step is nucleophilic attack of hydroxide ion, right? So the first step involves the nucleophilic attack of hydroxide ion. So where it attacks, which is easy to attack? Is it on formaldehyde or is it on benzaldehyde? What do you say? Which is sterically free? Yes, friends. Formaldehyde is sterically free. Formaldehyde is sterically free. If it wants to come here, right? So it is sterically hindered compared to formaldehyde. This is sterically hindered because of bulky group of benzene ring. Bulky group of benzene ring, it is sterically hindered. So it preferentially attacks on formaldehyde. Yes. So let us write formaldehyde attack first step. The first step is formaldehyde. When it attacks on formaldehyde, formaldehyde is going to form like this. So O minus H and OH. Now comes benzaldehyde is same as it is. It is not involved in the reaction. So this is benzaldehyde. Now it is the time to participate in reaction. This O minus comes here and hydride will come here and this will form, and it is nothing but formic acid, and this hydrogen is coming here. This is O minus of O minus and hydrogen is here. We are getting proton exchange. Just now what I said, proton exchange of this proton will take place. NaOH is there. This sodium plus will come here and this H plus will come here to give formic acid. Sodium salt of formic acid plus benzyl alcohol. I can write benzyl alcohol like this, OH, or I can write benzyl alcohol is nothing but this is benzyl alcohol, CH2OH, benzyl alcohol. So the question what I posed before starting this lecture is benzaldehyde and formaldehyde in presence of concentrated NaOH under heating reaction conditions, what is the product? Right friends, what is the product? Yes, sodium salt of formic acid, O Na plus the B, compound B is, this is compound B, benzyl alcohol. I have given what is the question? The compound A is this, sodium salt of formic acid, and benzyl alcohol is B. So this is the answer of the question what I have given before starting of this lesson. Right. What next? So what are the factors influence? What are the factors it influence the reaction conditions? Dear friends, so the plus side affecting groups retard the reaction. Speed of the reaction will be retarded. If I take for example NN dimethyl benzaldehyde. So this is plus side affecting group. This molecule will not undergo this Cannizzaro reaction because this come here and here comes here and let us say here and this is here. This is resonance stabilized to give this way. It will be stabilized NN dimethyl. So here migration O minus. So there is no chance to attack OH. There is no chance of attacking of OH. So the molecules which are substituted with plus I groups will not undergo Cannizzaro reaction. This is one point. If I take nitro group, so minus I affecting groups, minus I inductive affecting groups will enhance the speed of reaction. For example, para-nitrobenzaldehyde, yes, it undergoes Cannizzaro reaction and the speed is very high, right? So it readily undergoes Cannizzaro reaction to give para-nitrobenzoic acid and para-nitrobenzyl alcohol. This is two things. And one more thing is sterically hindered. Sterically hindered. For example, if I take this is phenyl, this is phenyl, this is phenyl, right? So if I take this aldehyde, triphenyl acetaldehyde, triphenyl acetaldehyde. Just now what I said, trimethyl will undergo Cannizzaro reaction, but this undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, but triphenyl acetaldehyde will not undergo Cannizzaro reaction because of what is the reason? Yes, friends. So because of steric hindrance, this reaction will not undergo. Because of steric hindrance, triphenyl acetaldehyde will not undergo this Cannizzaro reaction. Next what? Cardiac drug. Right. So it is used for the preparation of a drug for to use under cardiac arrest, and it gives resins and it can be used as explosive of nitroderivative. But how it comes? Pentaerythritol. So first step is acetaldehyde in presence of 3 moles of formaldehyde. Right, friends? Base, same base. I am using sodium hydroxide. What it gives? Yes. So this is 1 hydrogen. 3 hydrogens will be substituted with this formaldehyde. So it gives alcohol. So please check this aldol reaction if you do not understand at this place. Right, guys? So this is, and aldehyde will be the same. So here this is, there is no alpha hydrogen now. All 3 alpha hydrogens, 1, 2, 3, 3 alpha hydrogens have been substituted or have been added with this formaldehyde. Now there is no alpha hydrogen. Then what is the step remaining? Yes, it undergoes crossed Cannizzaro reaction. This is not same aldehyde, crossed Cannizzaro reaction. What I said? Crossed Cannizzaro reaction with formaldehyde. Right, friends? So this, what I said, this usually undergoes acid. Right? So since it is sterically free, it gives sodium salt of formic acid, and the pentaerythritol gives alcohol. What is the alcohol? Here I will write for your ease of understanding. Alcohol CH2OH, and here CH2OH. So this is pentaerythritol. We can prepare pentaerythritol using crossed Cannizzaro reaction. This is one important reaction with this Cannizzaro reaction. What else? Let us take, for example, phenyl glycol. So what it happens? What is the reaction? Yes. So the first NaOH or OH, where it attacks? Is it here or here? Which is easy to attack? Yes, friends. This is easy. First step is easy here. So OH will attack here to give. This is the intermediate, right? So I will write like this, and here nitration this O minus, hydrogen here and OH here, right? Same thing written in a different way. Now what is the second step? 1, 2, and this will come here to give what is the right. So what happens? Benzene, same benzene ring, carbon O minus, and the hydrogen which is here, it comes here, and this is O and H, and this proton will exchange, proton exchange will take place to give, right? And this is acid is nothing but in a salt form, and this is the mandelic acid, and it is highly important intermediate in synthetic organic chemistry. What is this? Mandelic acid, alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. For example, here I have taken mandelic acid. For example, if I take glycol, right friends, I am substituting this phenyl ring with hydrogen. Phenyl ring with hydrogen. This is nothing but when there is no phenyl ring, it is known as glycol, and the same steps will be repeated. If I take hydrogen, the same steps will be repeated. I am just simply substituting or removing this and placing hydrogen. And what is the compound I am going to get? Yes friends, sodium salt of glycolic acid. Right friends? Glycolic acid. Glycolic acid. This is not mandelic acid. This is glycolic acid. We get glycolic acid. Glycolic acid. And this reaction is known as intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. Crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Crossed Cannizzaro reaction. This is crossed Cannizzaro reaction. So, if I take a molecule like this, right friends, benzaldehyde, 2-iodo, 3-hydroxy, benzaldehyde, 2 moles, and I am taking concentrated NaOH and heating. What is the compound? A plus B. What is the starting material? 1, 2, 3. Right? 2-iodo, 3-hydroxy, benzaldehyde gives A and B. What is this? There is, see, functional groups. Here you can understand iodo is there, phenolic OH is there, and aldehyde is there, and we are using sodium hydroxide. Is there any participation of these groups, and what is the product we can expect under these Cannizzaro reactions? Dear friends, please subscribe my channel Venus Academy to know more about organic name reactions, and we will meet in next class. Bye. Sayonara. All the best. Thank you.